Good morning all. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. On today's start 18th lecture on course that is Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of departmental vision to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus, total 5 units are there. Course outcome, after the completion of unit number 4, you achieve which CO develop 2D animation objects. Summary of previous lectures. In previous lecture, which points are conducted? Stages of flash tool, properties, timelines and frames. After that, onion skinning. Now continue the next point. Shape twinning. How to give the shape twinning effect on that object. In a shape twinning, you draw a vector shape at one specific frame in the timeline and change the shape or draw another shape at another specific frame. Animated then interpolates the intermediate shape for the frame in between, creating the animation of one shape morphing into another. Next point, animated allows you to add shape twins to uniform solid stroke and non-uniform fancy stroke. You can also add shape twins to stroke enhanced using the variable width tool. Experiments with the shape you want to use to determine the results. You can use shape hint to tell animate which points on the beginning shape corresponds to the specific point on that end shape. Next point, you can also twin the position and color of shapes within a shape twin. To apply shape twinning to group, instance or bitmap image, break these elements apart. To apply shape twinning to text, break the text apart twice to convert the text to objects. Means what? In short, what is meant by shape twinning means give the effect on that object. Means you want to change that size or color, or you insert the in a group, that time to use the shape twinning. You change the stroke in a uniform and in a non-uniform. Create a shape twin. How to create the shape twin? The following steps show how to create a shape twin from frame 1 to frame 30 of the timeline. However, you can create twins in any part of the timeline that you choose. First step, in frame 1, draw a square with the rectangle tool. Next, select the frame 30 of the same layer and add a blank keyframe by choosing Insert into Timelines into blank keyframe or pressing F7. Using F7 is the shortcut key. Through you create the new blank keyframe. After that, on the stage, draw a circle with the oval tool in frame 30. In her frame 1, you draw the you draw the square. In a 30 frame, you draw the oval. After that, now you have a keyframe in frame 1 with a square and keyframe in a 30 with circle. Clear? In the timeline, select one of the frame in between the two keyframes in the layer containing the two shapes. means frame 1. In a frame 1, which shape is drawn? Square. In a frame 30, which shape is drawing? Circle. In between means 1 to 13. In between any one frame, select that in that set as containing the two shapes. In containing the two shapes, square and circle. Choose insert shape twin. Okay. Go to main insert menu. In that options are there. Shape twin, that select it. After that, animate interpolates the shapes in all frames between the two keyframes. To previous the twin, scrub the playhead across the frames in the timeline or press the enter key. Means you select that mediator keyframe. After that option, choose that insert shape twin and enter it. Means to give the twin motion. In addition to shapes, move the shape in a frame 30 to a location on the stage that is the different from the location of the shape in a frame 1. Preview the animation by pressing the enter key. You want to preview means you want to watching how to that effect giving on that object, then you press the enter key. To twin the color of the shape, make the shape in a frame 1 a different color from the shapes in the 30. To add the easier of the twin, select one of the frame between the two keyframes and enter the value in the easy field in the properties of in the property inspector. To easy the beginning of the twin, enter a negative value. To easy the end of the twin, enter the positive value. Means automatically that giving the shape twin effect on that object. After that, shape hint. Okay, what is the effect of that shape hint? To control more complex or improbable shape changes, you can use shape hint. Shape hint identify points that corresponds in a starting and ending shapes. Means when any more complex objects are there, that time you want to identify the points corresponding that object that starting to ending. How will be possible? How will be showing that? Using through shape hint effect or option through. For example, if you are twinning a drawing of a face as it is changes expression, you can use a shape hint to mark each eyes. Means you using through shape effect, the points are displayed and that points through you edit on that object, that is said as the shape hint. Then instead of the face becoming an amorphous angle while the shape changes take place, each eyes remains recognizable and changes separately during the shift. Next point, motion twin. It is one type of effect on that object. It is one options are there. A motion twin is a features available in a Adobe Flash. Formerly Macromedia Flash are there, but in a Adobe Flash today also available that option that allows you to easily animate the motion of an object. Instead of defining the location of the object in every frame, you can create a motion twin which will automatically move the object from the beginning location to the ending location. Okay. To create a motion twin, simply select a layer in the timeline and drag an object onto that stage. Then select the number of frames in the timeline you would to use for the duration of the animation. To create the motion twin, you can either right click in the timeline and select the create motion twin or simply choose the insert menu in under motion twin from the menu bar. Note that in order of the Flash to create the twin, you may need to convert the object to a symbol. Means firstly, if you use the motion twin, that time you convert the object on that symbol, and to many times that symbol are used on that stage. Once the twin has been created, you can click on any frame within the motion twin and move or rotate the object. For example, you can click on the last frame in the motion twin and move an object to a different part of the stage. When you run the animation, the flash will automatically calculate the location of the symbol for each frame and smoothly move the symbol from the start location to the end location. You can modify the accelerations of the object using the easy property in the properties platter. Motion twinning has become the standard way of animating symbols in a flash animations. While the name motion twin is specified at a flash, the phrase is sometimes used to refer to automated movement in other animation software as well. Summary on that today's lecture. Which points are conducted? How to give the shape twinning, how to give the shape hint, and how to give the effect motion twin. Here homework for you, write in notebook today's lecture points. Here complete your unit number 4. From next lecture through start the last chapter, that is 5th unit, create 3D animation. That chapter is also all the depends on the practical session only for understanding the software which used for 3D animation. And for the 3D animation, which software is used? Blender software. And for 2D animation, Adobe Flash software is used. So only for understanding that which properties or which panels are there on that software. Okay, because not any in detail study, because it is only for practical subject, and in that use the practical related questions are there. So here stop on today's lecture. In this lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me. In this chapter all these points are conducted, that is the theory parts, but when we starting the practical session, that time to you understand means actually demonstrate that tools, how to run that. Okay, thank you.